In a world where speed meets imagination, the future is no longer on the ground. It floats. Behold the AeroBlade 5000, the world's first air-slicing hyperbike. Every curve, every panel, a statement. Precision engineered, born to challenge reality. This isn't just a machine, it's a revolution waiting to awaken. Crafted from advanced nanoglass and reinforced carbon titanium, the AeroBlade 5000 combines transparency with raw strength. Notice the sharp aerodynamic front nose, designed to pierce the air effortlessly. The AI adaptive side wings adjust dynamically to speed, stability, and environment. Every glowing red and electric blue LED accent isn't just for show. It defines the presence of power. At the heart of AeroBlade lies the dual hybrid hypercore engine. 0 to 100 in just 1.2 seconds. No roar, no vibration, only pure acceleration. Magnetic air intake boost and jet pulse propulsion slice through the atmosphere silently, like a phantom on the move. Speed isn't just measured in numbers, it's experienced as an adrenaline storm. Welcome to the era of intelligent riding. AeroBlade recognizes its rider, adapting instantly to your style. Voice commands, self-balancing mode, and a transparent smart HUD ensure every journey is effortless. Safety is embedded with anti-collision AI, predictive control, and biometric recognition, because the future protects you as much as it excites you. Feel it glide through the neon-lit city streets, wings adjusting with every turn, every shift in velocity. Rain mode ensures unwavering stability. Track mode unleashes unbridled speed. This is no ordinary ride, it's a dance with the future, a flight through time, where the horizon bends only to your will. Every turn, every acceleration, a symphony of motion, light, and power. AeroBlade 5000 isn't just a glimpse of what's possible, it's a promise of what's coming. Sustainability, AI intelligence, and human-machine synergy converge into one breathtaking form. The future doesn't wait, it accelerates. And now, it rides with you. Are you ready to witness the impossible? AeroBlade 5000, the air-slicing hyperbike.